Now, in this particular plan, you will be getting the goal like this to perform hands on activity on Google Slides. Instructions will be like this: click here to view the video, click here to understand what needs to be done. So, I'm clicking here just in order to see exactly what are the things that we require to do. Now, as you are able to see over here, when I'm just opening this, a proper documentation is given to you regarding the hands-on activity. You need to do the following task. Select the theme pop for all the slides. So first, I've already opened Google Slides. What I will be doing, clicking on the blank part so that I'm able to open a blank slide. Now what I will do, I will get back to this. For the first slide, select the layout as title slide. Give your own title to the slides and give the transition as cube. So I will be showing you this particular part only for the first slide. You have to go for the second and for the third slide. Now select the layout as title slide. So I want to just confirm whether the title, whether the display that is there or whether the slide that is there, it is title slide or not. So we have to go on layout, title slides. So yes, I'm able to say this is a title slide itself. This is a title slide. If confirming one more time, layout, title slide. So the first part is done. That means over here, the layout is title slide. Give your own title to the slide. So what I will be doing, I will be giving a title to the slide. Scratch programming. I'm giving this particular title, that is Scratch programming. Then give the transition as cube. How to give the transition as cube, my kids? We have to select it. Then go under the transition. On the right hand side, a window will get open. We have to select cube. So the transition is applied to slide number 1. Insert second slide. The layout of the slide must be title and body. Give the transition as flip. So from here, I require to see title and body. This is title slide header, title and body. Yes, this is title and body. Give certain title. Give the animation as flip. So what I will be doing, I will be going for the animation. The animation that I'm giving is flip to it, and I will be applying theme as pop. Theme as pop. So I have applied for one particular slide in the same manner. You have to go for slide number 2 and slide number 3. Read the instructions correctly as what things have to be done. After the 3 slides are done, we require to upload it over here. So when I'm clicking over here, one Google document will get open or one Google form will get open, and over there I have to upload my document or the presentation that we have just made it. So over here, you will be able to say this is the instruction, and from here, just add the file and submit your presentation.